Hi and welcome to another edition of short video analysis by TraderCast. I am looking at a daily time frame for EUR CAD, Euro Canadian dollar, in what appears to be a fairly significant, potentially topping head and shoulder pattern with a clearly defined neckline at the current lows at around 48.11, 48.15, which corresponds nicely to 200 period moving average on the daily time frame as well. So the initial levels would offer some level of support, and if the price consolidates further and we see some kind of upside move, then it would be logical to assume that this falling trend line and obviously 20 and 50 period moving averages at 50.66 and 51.34 could offer some level of resistance on the way up. Also, we could cross-reference it with this kind of a sloping neckline as well, if you want to call it that way as well. And in that case, X would mark the spot, and that would be roughly around the same level as our kind of 50 period moving average, just slightly higher on a daily time frame at 51.58 level. So if the price goes higher, those confluences of moving averages and trend lines would potentially offer some level of resistance on the upside. Only a clear breakout above that and at least daily close above that level would negate it. Alternatively, if the price goes there and kind of consolidates further and then subsequently moves lower again, then this topping head and shoulder pattern could be in play. Objective downside target in that case could be if you are aggressive trader, top of the head to this neckline level, added on the loss of that neckline at 200 period moving average would bring us down. So basically the same number of points from the top of the head to the neckline, and in the case of a loss of that neckline and a red candle closing here, at least in daily or weekly time frame, could potentially target further downside support at 38.98, 13998, or call it 1.400, which is a nice and round number, and that would point us to this a cluster of previous lows as well, which would offer some logical level of support. Hopefully this was all informative, and I'll talk to you soon.